before you say anything, you stupid idiots, my friend made this. It's called My Friend's Tier List. I asked him, hey, make your own tier list, and, yeah, this is the tier list that he made. So we're just gonna go over it. He said put Isabel in A. Isabel's A tier. The last time I changed the G tier because we all know Isabel's absolutely garbage, and I don't like Isabel at all. I really don't. But I'm just D tier here. Here's the F tier. There's the E tier. The D. Oh my god, these tiers have so much in them. So first, DK, Jigglypuff, Sheik. It's pretty fucking accurate. Ganondorf, Mewtwo, Lucas, Ike, the Mii Fighters, Palutena, Bowser Jr., and Simon. And the C tier is Mario, Link, Cat, and this, Captain Falcon, Ice Climbers, Dead Mario, Mark Lucina, and Link, Meta Knight, Geodude, Samus, Lucario, and Link. B tier is Pikachu, Luigi, Peach, Daisy, Bowser, Luigi, Chrom, Mr. Game & Watch, Olimar, Wolf, Ryu, Ridley, and Richter. Samus, Yoshi, Kirby, Snake, King Dedede, Rob, Pac-Man, Robin, Ken, Cloud, Corrin, Bayonetta. Yeah, no, baited shit. King K. Rool, and Piranha Plant. Asterius Fox, Dark Samus, Pichu, Falco, Roy, Squirtle, Ivysaur, Charmander. He said put all the put these three in this tier, so I just did it. Villager, Mega Man, Inkling, and a Cineroar. So yeah, don't get mad at me. This is my friend. You can go get mad at him. Yeah, so bye.